Welcome back. So today we'll be making this simple but delicious vegetable rice. But if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification. And now let's get started. So we'll start by preparing our rice, and I am boiling my rice just with salt and water, and we want to make sure that the rice is not fully cooked. And then I'm just going to add something extra, that is cardamom, and this is optional, but it adds that beautiful aroma to your rice. And once your rice is almost done, set it aside. Now the rest of the Now once they are done, it's time to add in your veggies. So I started with the carrots and peas because they tend to cook a little bit longer. So I didn't add my paprika first because it will cook pretty much fast and I want it to not lose their color. So once the carrots and peas are done to satisfaction, go ahead to add in your bell peppers, and I am going to season it just with salt and black pepper. You can go ahead to add any additional spices that you prefer, maybe cumin or paprika. Then I went ahead to add a little bit of soy sauce to it. Once my veggies were done and I'm satisfied with the result, I went ahead to add in my rice and mix it all together and let it cook for a few minutes so that the rice will be done as well. I then added just a little bit of soy sauce to the rice as well and just mix it well, let it dry completely, and your rice is ready to serve. And here is my rice ready. You can serve it even with some chicken or stew if you'd like to, and it tasted absolutely delicious and the aroma was so good. This rice was done in minutes. I really hope you do try this recipe. Share it with your friends and family, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification, and I will see you on my next one. Till next time, bye bye.